At Target, we believe that we need to deliver more with less. This means lowering our impact throughout our product lifecycle. Iconik exemplifies this commitment. Our Iconik vinyl rose collections are produced in our factories in Luxembourg and Germany, using 100% green energy. We have put significant effort to reach up to 27% recycled content, replacing virgin raw materials and therefore lowering our emissions. The textile fibers are made of 100% recycled material. The collection is designed to be recyclable, including installation waste on all floors. Post-use Iconik foam backing floors can now be collected and recycled into new vinyl rolls through our Restart Take Back and Recycling program. This applies to blue-free installations of less than 50 square meters. But lowering our environmental footprint will never mean compromising your comfort, health or overall well-being. Our Iconik range is 100% phthalate-free and has low volatile organic compounds emission for better indoor air quality by reducing exposure to triggers of asthma and allergies. And the Allergy UK seal endorses this. Our claims are backed with science and third-party verifications. We share this information in total transparency through our MHS and DPD to offer you a total peace of mind. Together, we are building the way to better floors.